Hey group, Rick here with Playing in the Dirt. Kemimoto sent me some mirrors, and so we're going to do an installation, and this is for the 2021 Polaris Ranger, the new body style. Real easy to do. Comes with an Allen wrench and these brackets here. Just go right on the frame. There, it's on. Then all you have to do is take your Allen wrench, tighten these up, which you can see it doesn't take very long at all. You just want to snug them and give them just a little turn after that. There you go. One of the features of this mirror is you can rotate it 360 degrees. It also moves this way in case you hit a branch. It'll fold right in for you. You can adjust them to where you like. Get them to where you like. You don't want them to move. It comes with another Allen wrench. Right here's things to tighten them, loosen it, whatever you want to do. I like mine set about right there. Now I've already installed the other one because they're so easy to install. It's just an Allen wrench and 2 bolts. Very simple. Anybody can do it. And at the end of this video, we'll have a link where you can get these mirrors to Kemimoto. And here later on, we're going to be riding in some trails. I'll show you guys how it does in the trails, and so stay tuned. Group, that's a little trail action with the mirrors, and as I was going through I hit some bushes and they hit the mirror, and the mirror didn't move. It wasn't strong enough, but if you hit a tree or something a little stronger, they'll just fold right in. But they did real well. I kind of like having these here. I can see behind me. The only thing is you can't have a windshield with this type, but maybe a half windshield. But I have a windshield. Mine just has 4 places where it snaps right off, and it's easy to put on and off. But on warm days, I don't like a windshield anyway, but it's nice to have these mirrors. I really like them. We're going to be doing, on these particular mirrors from Kemimoto, we're going to be doing a giveaway, and that's to come, so stay tuned. There will be a link in the description on where to get these mirrors, and there's also going to be another link in the description on how to win them. So we need people to, if you like this, please like and subscribe. Like I said, we're going to be giving these mirrors away. Stay tuned for the details.
Turn it off.
group, this is Rick with Playing in the Dirt. There's going to be a link for where to get these Kemimoto mirrors. Right there you go. These are nice mirrors, I like them. And then we're also going to have a giveaway on these mirrors, and there'll be another link where you can go to the Facebook channel, Playing in the Dirt. There's a Facebook channel called Playing in the Dirt. You go to that channel, you're going to ask to join, and then once you join, you're going to comment on the mirrors, and then I know to put you in the drawing. And with that, over and out, and good luck to the lucky winner. We'll let that run for a week or so, and then we'll pick a winner. Again, this is Rick with Playing in the Dirt, over and out. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and good luck to the lucky winner of the mirrors.